To pair your Whoop Charge with your device, start by ensuring your Whoop Charge is fully charged and your device has Bluetooth capabilities. Next, download and install the Whoop app from the App Store if you haven't already. Open the Whoop app and create an account or log in if you are an existing user. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Settings section of the app, usually represented by a gear icon or a menu option. In the Settings section, look for the option to connect or pair a device, and select it. The app will then prompt you to put your Whoop Charge in pairing mode. To do this, press and hold the button on your Whoop Charge until the lights start flashing. The app will then search for nearby devices and display your Whoop Charge in the list of available devices. Select your Whoop Charge from the list to initiate the pairing process. The app will then prompt you to confirm the pairing. And once confirmed, your Whoop Charge will be connected to your device. You can verify the connection by checking the app, which should now display data from your Whoop Charge. It is essential to keep your Whoop Charge and device in close proximity during the pairing process to ensure a stable connection. Also, make sure your device's Bluetooth is enabled and not connected to any other devices. After pairing, you can start tracking your fitness and health metrics, including heart rate, sleep, and exercise. The Whoop app provides personalized recommendations and insights to help you optimize your performance and recovery. By following these steps, you can successfully pair your Whoop Charge with your device and start using it to track your fitness journey. Remember to keep your Whoop Charge and device software up to date to ensure seamless connectivity and access to the latest features.